Today I'm going to show you how to add and delete a user on the L100 door lock. First, you have three buttons in the back: add, delete, and temp. You're going to hit the first one, add. The administrator is going to enter his fingerprint. Then the new user will enter his fingerprint twice. You hit the add button again, and then test it. Alright. Now, on the back, you hit delete. Have the user enter his fingerprint twice. Alright, then you test it. Make sure. Alright. There you go. That's how easy it is to add and delete a user on the Anviz L100 door lock.